Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Greendale, local and long-distance movers near me. Even if the move is within the same state, if it exceeds 50 miles, it's considered long distance. We can move your items across state lines within the state or locally. And we have a great working relationship with the state and federal entities in charge of relocation. We have insurance plans to cover risk liabilities during the relocation process. Our drivers and movers are careful, and they will have your belongings delivered in the same condition as before the relocation. Our services are affordable, and we have no hidden charges. Local moves are often less expensive than long-distance moves, and you can be sure that ours will be no exception. Our hourly rates are fair and affordable, ranging between $30 and $40 per hour. If you employ our qualified and attentive local movers, you get the excellent value for your money. We've dealt with high traffic areas before and can move your belongings into your new home as quickly as possible. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Greendale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, furniture moving, residential moving, international moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.